folks, welcome to this video where I'm going to go through a few examples from the inductive and deductive reasoning homework on the MyOpen Math. And so let's get started. We're going to take a look at question number 3 first. Now, questions 1, 2, and 3 are all asking you to find some sort of pattern in the numbers. And I thought that 3 was the trickiest out of all the patterns. So I wanted to make sure we did this one together, okay? So it says, given the sequence 19, 26, 45, 71, 116, we want to figure out what numbers are coming next in the sequence or in the list of numbers, okay? And so one of the things that I find really helpful is just kind of seeing like what is the difference between each of the terms, okay? So I notice that to go from 19 to 26, I'm gonna add 7. And I noticed that to go from 26 to 45, I'm gonna add 19. And when I go to 71 from 45, I end up adding 26. And if I go from 71 to 116, I end up adding 45. And one of the things I notice is that, like, to get to 45, I really just take these two and I add them together. Like 19 plus 26 will give me 45. And 26 plus 45 gives me 71. And 45 plus 71 gives me 116. And so if I want to find the next term that comes up, I'm just going to take the 71 and I'm going to add it to the 116. And when I do that, I end up with 187. So that's going to be the next term, but I still need to find the next two terms, okay? So if I put a 187 here, now to find the one that comes after 187, I'm going to do 116 plus 187. I'm going to get 303. And now to get the last one I want, I'm going to add my 187 and my 303. Okay. And when I do that, I end up with 490. And I could keep going, but this question only asks us to find the next three terms in that sequence. Okay. So looking for patterns in those numbers, I think one of my strategies that I would share with you is to go ahead and like see if you can add a number to get to the next term or subtract a number to get to the next term. Okay, and just look for those patterns. Those patterns will help you figure out what comes next. Okay, so I'm going to stop this video here, but I'm going to do another video that takes a look at the inductive and deductive reasoning questions in this homework. All right, so come on back for that video.